action.
Does this safari guarantee I come back alive?
We guarantee nothing. This is your guide to the past, Mr. Travis. He's going to tell you what and where to shoot. If he tells you no shooting, absolutely no shooting. There's a $10,000 penalty fee for that.
Wow, a real time machine. You know, if the election went differently, I'd be running away from that thing.
Well, all you need to worry about now is
Shooting my dinosaur, my Tyrannosaurus Rex, the most feared monster in all of history.
sign this release. It just says we're not responsible if you die. Sign here, initial here. Good luck, Mr. Travis. He's all yours.
Can this gun shoot a dinosaur cold?
Sure it can. First you want to aim for the eyes, blind them. Then you want to shoot them in the brain, okay?
Are we there yet?
Yeah, sure. That out there is an anti-gravity path. You want to stay on the path, otherwise you might change the future. Remember, stay on the path at all costs.
Why? What happens if you go off the path?
You might change the future, and that's bad.
Yes, buddy old pal. Are you Mr. Eccles?
Yeah.
It's a pleasure, sir. Right. So, we've actually been hunting down the longest living dinosaurs. And the one that we're going to be hunting, I shot with the red paint gun. So that way you'll know for sure.
So that's the one we shoot, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's the one.
Where are we?
Hi!
Hey,
Mr. Eccles, it's a pleasure to meet you. Right, okay, so we've been searching the longest living dinosaurs. And okay, here's the data, the statistics that we found during the time the dinosaur. It's been living for a couple of hundred of years. Excuse me?
So if you were here this morning, you would know if we got a T-Rex, right? You would know if we came back alive.
Time doesn't work that way, sir. You cannot mute yourself.
All right, everyone, on your feet. Let's start this expedition. Echo, stop that. Don't even playfully aim your
You
gun.
guys, look up ahead. 60 seconds till it shows up, okay? And stay on the path no matter what.
Eccles, you hit first shot. That means Lestrance, you're next.
Oh my God! I loved it! Wild boar!
You haven't seen us yet.
Bears! It can grab the moon!
You fool! Where do you think you're going? Stay on the trail.
I wanted wild boars, tigers, bears, but that's for the time machine.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces. Right.
Aim fire! Yo, what up, man? Oh, I'm Skinkle. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, we're in the middle of a hunt right now. Can you wait? Oh, don't worry. It's completely safe. Just a simple little Tyrannosaurus Rex. Yes, Miss Skinkle. It's for you.
Hi. Yeah, we're killing things right now. You really need to... Yeah, bye.
Timber! You stupid psychopathic crybaby! Get out!
out!
Get
Get
out!
out!
I'm innocent! I'm innocent!
You, go get the bullets out of that T-Rex.
I'll pay anything! I'll pay anything!
Yes.
$100,000! $100,000!
You wanna come with us? Get the bullets out of that T-Rex right now.
Or else we'll leave you stranded. I'm gonna...
I will get up and went off the path.
Get out.
Look, you screwed over my data.
Everything okay up here?
just fine. Welcome home.
By the way,
Get out.
who won the election yesterday?
Are you joking? You know damn well. Hitler won. Who else? Not that weekly idiot.
Goodbye, Tim.
Shoot.
Hey Jill,
You know the old sugar daddy. They be tricking their tail them girls.
Said you can have whatever you like. Said you can have whatever you like. Yeah, stacks on deck, Patron on ice. And we can pop bottles all night, baby. You can have whatever you like. I said you can have whatever you like. Yeah, late night sex so wet and so tight. I gas up the jet for you tonight, and baby you can go wherever you like. I said you can go wherever you like. Yeah. Anytime you want to, pick up the telephone. You know it ain't nothing to drop a couple stacks on you. Want it, you can get it, my dear. $5 million home drop business, I swear. Yeah, I want your body, need your body. Long as you got me, you won't need nobody. You want it, I got it, go get it, I buy it. Tell the mother broke nigga be quiet. Stacks on deck, Patron on ice. And we can pop bottles all night, baby. You can have whatever you like. I said you can have whatever you like. Yeah, late night sex so wet and so tight. I gas up the jet for you tonight, and baby you can go wherever you like. I said you can go wherever you like. Yeah, shawty you the hottest, love the way you drop it. Brain so good, good I swore you went to college. 100K deposits, vacations in the tropics. Everybody know it ain't tricking if you got it. And you ain't never ever gotta go in your wallet. Long as I got rubber band banks in my pocket. 5'6", rides with rims and a body kit. You ain't gotta downgrade, you can get what I get. My chick can have what she want, and go in the store for any bag she want. I know you ain't never had a man like that to buy you anything your heart desire like that. Yeah, I want your body, need your body. Long as you got me, you won't need nobody. You want it, I got it, go get it, I buy it. Tell the mother broke nigga be quiet. Stacks on deck, Patron on ice. And we can pop bottles all night, baby you can have whatever you like. I said you can have whatever you like. Yeah, late night sex so wet and so tight. I gas up the jet for you tonight, and baby you can go wherever you like. I said you can go wherever you like. Yeah, I'm talking big boy rides and big boy ice. Let me put this big boy in your life. The thing gets so wet and hits so right. Let me put this big boy in your life. That's right. I want your body, need your body. Long as you got me, you won't need nobody. You want it, I got it, go get it, I buy it. Tell the mother broke nigga be quiet. Stacks on deck,